Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bharat and today we're going to be checking out the OnePlus original tempered glass for your OnePlus 6T and see if this is worth the money. Let's dive into it. Guys, if this is your first time here and like such videos and giveaways, click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified for all the upcoming giveaways. The official OnePlus 6T 3D tempered glass screen protector costs $990 INR or $20.95 for the rest of the world. And it comes in this awesome padded cardboard box which has a zip unlock. You can just pull the tag out and inside this you get the actual OnePlus 6T tempered glass which is in this awesome case as always from OnePlus. And opening this you get the squeegee and a microfiber cloth and also a dust removal sticker. And on the sides you get the 6T's official 3D tempered glass. Firstly, ensure that you are in an AC room and all the windows and doors are closed and there are no dust particles which are moving around. You'll also need a case. I prefer the OnePlus 6T's official TPU case which comes in the box. Firstly, remove the pre-applied screen protector or if you have any other screen protector and clean and wipe. I had some spare alcohol wipes so I cleaned it on that first, but you can use just the microfiber cloth which is provided and clean and neatly rub it. Next, place the 6T inside the TPU case or any other case that you have and again clean and rub it with the provided microfiber cloth. Next, take the dust removal stickers and cleanly take off all the remaining dust particles one by one. Next, take the 3D tempered glass and remove the bottom plate carefully without breaking it because it does kind of bend a lot. Next, align it from the top and sides and place it carefully and also do the micro adjustments now and then press the 3D screen protector at the center so that the air bubble come out from the top and bottom. And now you will slowly see that the screen protector is kind of getting applied. Now if it doesn't cover the complete screen, take the squeegee and microfiber cloth, fold it in and give a neat and clean rub from the top and bottom and clear out any more air bubbles slowly and neatly. And that's pretty much it. You now have a wonderfully put OnePlus 6T's 3D tempered glass like a boss. Now let's just test the screen protector first. It works really good. I've tried plenty of screen protectors on the OnePlus 6T. This is by far the best one. The fingerprint scanner works as good as a bare screen and I don't see a real difference with a screen protector and without. And now let's do some scratch test as well. I have a few accessories on the sides. First, let's take a coin and neatly try and see if this scratches by giving it a couple of swipes. And next, let's take some keys here and give it a couple of more swipes from the left and right. And finally, I have a very sharp unboxing knife which I use to unbox most of my items. And now let's try and see if this ties and scratches the OnePlus 6T's tempered glass. After scratching all these items, I don't see any visible scratches. The OnePlus 6T's 3D tempered glass is made of really good quality material and I can really feel this. It's also compatible with almost all the cases that I have tried from the Spigen, Tudia and Capover. Unlike the OnePlus 5T and 3 and other tempered glass which I tried, which did not fit most of the third-party cases, this time OnePlus has designed it very well. So guys, what do you think about the OnePlus 6T's original tempered glass? Tell me in the comment sections below. I just love it. It's the best and this is Bharat. Peace out.